If you think it will take days for you to earn online, then you're completely wrong because in the method that I will show you in this video, you will get paid per minute. That's right, you'll get your earnings and payout every minute of the day. It's quick and it doesn't require any social media, selling, surveys, or any difficult tech skills. In fact, this is by far the simplest system for beginners to make their first $1,000 online while letting others do all the work. This opportunity is available globally and is completely free, requiring no investment or credit card. Keep watching till the end because I'll show you a magic trick and a bonus approach that will take care of everything for you, and all you have to do is copy and paste to start making money. So don't miss out. But before we start, if you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so that you will get updated whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Alright, so with that out of the way, let's get into the video. First and foremost, I want you to go to Skillshare.com, which is visible at the top of this page. People who visit this website can look for various online workshops, video trainings, and courses to learn about something or master a new skill. Assume that when you click the Explore button right here, people will come to learn something new, such as animation, graphic design, music, or photography. On this platform, people can enroll in a variety of courses and watch videos. Now you're probably wondering how we're going to make money from this website. And that's exactly what we'll cover next. Now, when you go to the homepage of this website, scroll down to the very bottom where you will see Become a Teacher. Just click on that and you'll be taken to this page where you can sign up for a free account, become a teacher, and start uploading videos. This is going to be a lot easier than you think, and I'll walk you through everything step by step right here in this video so you can start making money right away for free. Here is how teaching on Skillshare.com works. You must construct your first class correctly, then post videos to this website. After then, anytime others join and view the video, you can start making money on this website, and they will pay you every minute. Yes, you heard that correctly. You will get paid every minute that people view your videos or take your lessons. And there are a lot of individuals who make thousands of dollars a year on this platform by merely posting videos. When you look at how you can make money on Skillshare.com, you will notice that you get genuine monthly royalties based on how long people watch your videos, as well as a referral incentive. Keep watching this video because I'm going to show you a special bonus way to earn even more money by getting referrals on this website, which will allow you to build up to 2 reliable passive income streams. You can earn money online by uploading videos to Skillshare.com 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with no restrictions. And income stream number 2 is that you can get the juicy commissions and referral bonus on complete autopilot by using my strategy. So all you have to do right now is click on this green button here to start a class. And you'll be taken to this page where you can upload videos to Skillshare.com and earn money online when people watch your videos. When you click on the upload button videos, you will be able to upload a video to this website. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly where you can get free videos done for you that you can simply copy and paste and re-upload on this website so you can start earning money right away. So keep watching. For example, if you click on the Explore button at the top, you'll be taken to this graphic design category, which will take you to this graphic design page, which has over 1 million followers. What I like about Skillshare is that all you have to do is upload the videos, and millions of people and visitors come to this website every day looking for videos and classes to watch and learn about new skills. You could take advantage of this opportunity and be the one to make money online by leveraging this incredible system. For example, as you can see here, there are a lot of videos on a single playlist, each of which is only about 1 minute long. There are some that could last to 2, 3, 4, even 6 minutes, but all of them are actually very simple and short videos that you can upload on this website. It's really that simple. So you see, this is a great way for you to generate passive revenue because once you copy and paste the video here, people from all over the world will find them on Skillshare organically without you having to try to do anything. Now allow Skillshare to do all the legal work and promotion to bring people to their website to find and watch videos. And then they will give you the money that you deserve while you sleep, travel, or work on something else. Now that sounds amazing, right? Now before we go any further, I'd like to give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a huge thumbs up if you've enjoyed this one. Please also leave a comment if you found this video interesting and informative. Now the second thing that I'd like you to visit is renderforest.com. Again, that's renderforest.com as you can see here. This is a website where we will get free videos to post on Skillshare. This is a highly reputable firm where you can come to design logos, videos, mock-up websites, and a variety of other things. But for the purpose of this video, we would want you to focus on video production. So all you have to do is go to the top of this toolbar and click on these Make Videos, and you'll be taken to a website with video templates that are appropriate for your needs. There is this feature in Render Forest that I find so appealing. You see, you can get a lot of these video templates or even 100 of them done for free, and all you have to do is choose from a lot of options. All these videos are very professional and done for you, and you can get them all for free. You can do everything on your phone or computer, but for now, I would like to share some personal preferences. The reason these whiteboard animation toolkits are so popular is that many people enjoy whiteboard learning, and it's ideal for uploading as a training course to Skillshare. So all you have to do is click here and you'll be taken to this page, which is a whiteboard animation toolkit with a lot of ratings. Quickly, I'd like to demonstrate how it appears over this whiteboard tutorial video template, which is exactly what you're seeing right now. It's a whiteboard template, a tutorial video that teaches people how to do something new. They're extremely professional and simple to understand, and you can use any or all of them for your template. If you scroll down, you will see other videos that other people have created using this template, and they are all done for you. You can do the same thing by clicking a few buttons on this website, and all you have to do now is click on this Create button, followed by this green button right here, and you'll be taken to this page where you can create a new video. Now, most importantly, you have 3 options to choose from right here. I'd like you to click on this to load a preset option from which you can select. Once you've chosen this load a preset option, just go ahead and click on this Create button. You can see that there are a lot of ready-made stories just for you. For example, there are a ton of free training videos on renderforce.com that you can utilize on Skillshare for web development, cloud databases, real estate, and social media. By doing so, you may start earning a lot of money online, just like these people are doing right now. Now, if you want to make a video about promoting an online education platform, simply go to this video and they'll show you a preview of their video template. Now, all you have to do is watch the video, and you can go to this website and click on this blue button right here to use this ready narrative. And they'll bring up a new page where you can change something on this video. But everything else is done for you on this website, including the plots and timelines. If you want, you can change the text and wordings on this page, and you can customize it in any way you want. Now look here. For example, if she's graduating this year, you can simply click on the added text to change the tags, and you can change any text you want, and once you click on it, the video will repair itself. So changing the tags is actually quite simple right here. And once you've finished modifying and experimenting with each text, simply click on the style to proceed to the next phase. Basically, you have the option of selecting a board drawn or cut paper style right here. Both of these styles are fantastic, but I'll go ahead and choose a board drawn. After then, select your colors. You can change it to any color you want. It's very simple to do and straightforward. All you need to do is click a few buttons and the rest is taken care of for you. After you've decided on your colors, proceed to where you can choose your music. Once again, they've chosen corporate motivation music for you to use, but you can also find 100 of different songs in various categories such as rock music, cinematic music, and copper music. If you still don't like this, then you can choose any music that you want. Remember that this is completely free and you won't be charged any penny. Just go ahead and download it from renderforest.com. You can use the same method in different templates, videos, or storylines to create different tutorial videos. And then you can upload them to Skillshare.com. And that's where you earn money every time people click play and watch videos. This is a great way for people from all over the world to earn money passively. And that's it for this video. Now if you like this one, give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also click that notification bell so that you will get updated whenever we upload a new video online. Step 1. Watch the full video if you're ready to access a done-for-you business. Now listen close. In order to get started, just go to www.katehustle.com/start and sign up on the main page. So this is how it works. After you sign up, you will now have the full access to all the trainings on this website. Depending on how much time you have and how serious you take this, most students are able to go full-time working from home in a few weeks or some in shorter amount of time. You will be taught online marketing working from home, which means no selling to family or friends, plus 100% done-for-you sales system that brings money on autopilot. It is not a get-rich-quick, but if you're serious, you can make a great deal of income. Hope this answers any of your questions. And by the way, I earned full-time from this system. You see, we wanted to make this quick video for a lot of people that were just like us, wanting to learn how to make some extra cash. You could do this full-time or you could do it on the side regardless if you have a job or if you're still a student. You could just make all your money doing this and we will teach you how. What we do is extremely simple and it's stuff that people are already doing every single day. Just by using your smartphone, your computer, or any device that has access to internet, you can make thousands weekly and really quickly. Before we go into details, I do want to show you something. So we just left the bank, go ahead and pull it out, and we pulled out our 1 week paycheck. As you can see, like both sides, it's all real and it's all legit. All we did to earn this was spend a couple of hours on a smartphone and we were able to make this check deposited to our bank the following Friday. Alright guys, what we do isn't rocket science. All we do is post ads and share videos on social media. That's it. When you post ads, those ads generate sales and the sales are in the weekly paychecks every single Friday, direct deposit. I understand there's all kinds of crazy things on the internet, but I can assure you that this is not one of them. Right now, the website is being made as we speak. Subscribe to learn new ways on how to earn from home at Kate Hustle. Thanks for watching!